This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your Ankara and net to make fascinator. You need your fascinator cup that you have mowed and that you have fixed your wire. You need your Ankara that you are going to use to do the work, the net, you need your gun, and you need your wire and your scissors, your plier to cut the wire, and you need your Alice band. You can use your rubber Alice band or you use your normal Alice band, and you need your gum machine to gum your Alice band. Today I'm going to show you two difference of wire that I normally use in art. This is a tiny one that is so popular that everybody is using. I have another one that you can get in the market. This is the wire, is very strong, is stronger than the tiny one. And the reason why I'm going to use this wire is because so that the net can stand firm. Now, the size of my wire is 46. Then I join the mouth with my sellotape here together. Then I will take my net, size like this, fold it into two. Say it. Then take your wire. This is the wire. Put it at the middle of it. Take your hook on. Then you put your hook on round on top of the wire round with the net together. Fold it together like this. Fold everything to the center. It will hold the gum. Then use your hand. Use your hand to hold the net and the wire together. Make sure you see the inside, the wire has gone with the net. The next thing is to trim it. Take your scissors and trim it gently, please. See it. Trim the excess net out. Please make sure you don't cut the one that is down. Then now I'm going to cover my cup with the Ankara. Then look at this size. You place it at the middle like this. This is how to cut it. Place it like this. Then make sure there is a space at the edge. You put it at the center. Then you cut the size. You can see what I cut. What you are going to do is that take your ribbon, put it at the center here, then round the edge of the mold. Take your Ankara, place it on it, and use your hand to stretch. Don't use your hand to rub it. Don't rub it. Just stretch the Ankara on it like this. Yeah, look, cover it like this. Trim the leftover from the edge. Trim it out. You take your gun. This gun, you put it at the edge of your fascinator. You can allow it to dry small. Allow it to dry, then place it at the middle of it. Let it go. Then turn it. Then use the thing you are going to do is take your blade and cut the net inside. Then I'm going to use the Ankara to do the band on it. Then what I'm going to do is that I measure 3. This 3 is because I'm going to fold it inside by the right and the left. And the length of the Ankara is 53. But my measurement for the fascinator is 46. I mean, after you fold it, what you are going to do, put your hook gum at the center like this, and at the other side, left and right of it. What you are going to do, fold this side inside, fold it inside down to the end, then fold this one to come on it down. What you do is that put your hook gum on your Ankara, tape it round, at the end here you cut the leftover, then you put your hook gum on the edge here, fold it inside, then comb the remaining like this. This is inside, and this is out. My side is 5.5. Then the length of it is 9.5. Why my Ankara size is 9.5 breadth, and the length is 13.7. Therefore, what I'm going to do now is that I've made the 2 big bow, then I'm going to join them together at the middle here. Join them 2. You cut a small pieces of cloth, then you fold it the right and the left. What we are going to use it to do is to cover the middle. So to cover the middle. You can use your wax candle to comb it on the cap. Is it fascinator? And put your feather under it. And after the next thing we are going to put band, put your wax candle at the back of it, cut small bias and use it to gum with Ankara. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.